Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN bet billing, how to keep your information up to date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is log in to your ESPN bet account. So to do that, open it up, and once you open it up, the next step is to log into your account. Now once you log into your account, navigate to billing section by simply tapping on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, here what you need to do is look for a section labeled billing, payment information or wallet. Now once you do that, the third thing is to update your payment method. Select the option to edit payment method, choose the payment type you wish to update, credit card or debit card, bank account or digital wallet. Once you are done, verify and save changes. Double check all the entered details for accuracy, click save or update to apply changes, and then lastly set a default payment method as well. And once you do that, check for billing notifications and then monitor your transactions. And if your billing address has changed, make sure it matches the address associated with your payment method. And if you are still facing a problem, then what you can do is contact ESPN Bet support for assistance as well by simply visiting the ESPN Bet help center that is located right here. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.